Let's go to CommSec. Tom Piotrowski is live for a look at the markets this morning. How are we opening up today, Tom?
Pete, we are looking forward to another positive start this morning. It's been quite a constructive week, and it turns around the better than expected inflation figures that we've seen out of the US. We saw the previous iteration, the CPI numbers come in better than expected, and that was the night before. And last night we had better than expected producer inflation numbers. So that is quite important, just corroborating the earlier figures. So there's a lot of conversation now, as you might imagine, as to whether or not the work of the US central bank is largely done when it comes to raising rates. Then, of course, there's a flow-on effect to what that means in other jurisdictions as well, which is part of the reason why we've had a bit of a fill-up for our own market. So last night we had the Dow up by around 0.1%, the S&P 500 up 0.8%, and the Nasdaq up by 1.6%. European markets perhaps not as full-throated in their appreciation, but still moving higher. It was Bastille Day in France, so that market was up by about 0.5%. The UK market up by 1/3, and the German market up by around 0.75%. And as I said, the local SPI futures up by about 0.5%. The Aussie dollar has flourished as well, just short of 70 US cents, Pete, thanks to a softening US dollar.